Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in today's video we're taking a look at a variety of different stoves. Next up is the folding Firebox stove. This is a 5-inch stove. Comes from the same manufacturer that the little Nano did. The goal of the Firebox is not to be necessarily light, but its goals are to be folding and compact, as well as very packable, and it uses a wide multitude of fuels. With the Firebox stove you can use wood, the wood pellets, sterno, the little tablet fuels, alcohol stoves, a Trangia gas burner, or charcoal. We got this particular stove in a kit that comes with a grill plate as well as this boiling plate. And the cool thing about the boiling plate is it's a perfect fit for mini mugs, mini camp pots, and one of those is the Stanley. And it fits beautifully. So with the Firebox stove, it comes with pins as well as fire sticks. It comes with 4 fire sticks, and it has a multitude of slots and holes and places to use all those little fire sticks and pins. With the pins where they are now, you can easily put in a little alcohol burner in the bottom, or you can move those pins up and then the little slots on the isobutane burner will fit easily on those pins. You can put the pan directly on top of the Firebox. If you need a little extra width for support for maybe a larger pan or a heavier pan, you can put the sticks in the top, in the slots, and that gives you that extra width out. If you want to do grilling, there is a grill plate that comes with the kit. This is the grill plate that fits inside. That fits just inside, I should say, the top. Like that, so you can cook a steak, hot dogs, whatever on top of that. Or if you want an extended grill plate, that is also available. There it goes, and fits in like that. So the extended grill plate gives us an additional 7 3/4 inches to cook on as far as length, and it's about 5 inches wide. Next up is a portable butane burner. This particular one is by Max Burton, and this one belonged to my dad. We haven't used it much at all, but it's a nice compact size, and it comes with a hard plastic case, and so it's very packable. It uses this butane canister fuel. There is a company called Gas One that is a very popular supplier of the butane fuel canisters. Those are readily available on Amazon. There's a slot in the top of the fuel canister. You line that up with a tab that's in the burner itself. Then to lock it into place, you just push down this lever. To light the burner, you turn the control all the way to ignite. It has a piezoelectric ignition, and it is lit, and then it's by default on high, and you can adjust the size of the flame from there. Very, very simple and easy to use. In the description, we'll put links to 3 different ones of these butane burners. We'll put one to a Camp Chef burner, which looks very, very similar to this one. And it's about mid-range for price. It is butane only. And the company Gas One has a couple of different butane burners. One that is butane only, and it's a relatively popular and inexpensive model. And then Gas One also has a model that will take either the butane canisters, or it comes with an adapter that you can use a 1-pound propane bottle. So that one's really nice that you can use different fuels. So let's real quick look at the size. It's 13 inches wide. Front to back is 10 inches. And then its height is 3 1/4 inches. The drip pan and support for the pots and pans is porcelain enamel coated steel. For packing, the little drip pan lays upside down. And I forgot to mention, it has an air control knob on the front too, where you can completely open or close, or any place in between, a little vent. And last, we're going to look at a Coleman 3-burner stove. Using this fitting, the 1-pound propane bottles can be used on the side. These are the 3 burners. You can see the one on the left, and then it has this long skinny one in the center, and then another round one over on the right. The little wings can be used to set utensils or as little shelves, or if it's breezy, they can be used as side windscreens. Of course, there's a control knob for each burner, and it has a little ignition switch as well. The width of the burner area in total is right around 21 inches, and the depth is right around 13 inches. Coleman 3-burner stove is just over 24 inches wide, front to back with the handle, and accounting for the hinges at the back is 18 inches. It's about 5.5 inches thick. While we really like having 3 burners and the versatility of having those 3 burners to cook on, it's a really bulky stove, and it's awkwardly sized and shaped. It has feet on it, so it's not smooth and flat for packing. It'd probably be a good idea to either make a little case for it or get some sort of box that it will fit in to make it easier to pack, because it just doesn't ever seem to fit anywhere for us. We like it, and it's a really good little stove. It's just kind of awkward to pack. We'll put links to the stoves in the video description below. And in the comments, be sure and let us know what your favorite camp stove is and why. And as always, thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.